Okay. Today I might be looking kind of tired. If you're wondering why that is, I'm gonna go show you what flippin' time it is. 8:43 at night. Okay, this is a late video. Okay, so I said we're doing a review video, but I didn't say on what. So, it's on this Atomic Beam U.S.A. flashlight. Yeah, get a good look. Get a good look, get a good look. Yeah. So, that's it. That's not the whole video. I'll show you the whole video, don't worry. So, how do you put batteries in this? Screw off this back end right here. Can you see where that's screwing right there? See that? Right? Right here, on the screws. In there. One of these cool little cylinder thingies. No, you put 3 AAA's in. It does not come with batteries. This little pushy thingy to be at the bottom. And then you screw on the top. And you're good to go. See that? Yep, so there's that. There's also strobe setting, but cool feature of this flashlight. See those curves? No. See these little ridges on it right up there? I'll show you what those are for in just a minute. I'm not looking forward to this. Okay. Purpose of these ridges is a self-defense tool. Used to hit people in case you're being only if you're being attacked. Yeah. I'm not looking forward to this because this hurts a lot. Get right back to the video. I just need a minute. That hurts like a lot. Okay, so I still feel that in my shoulder. Still hurts. But anyway, this is quite the rugged flashlight. And one of the things that makes this so bright, one thing I forgot to mention, this flashlight literally flashes SOS. Pop quiz, what do you think SOS stands for? Comment down below. Okay, so, I think it's around 2,000 lumens. But here's a cool thing. Just a minute, let me re-angle this camera. Wrong button. Wrong button. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay, so you can see the light kind of on the groundish. It literally turns into a square. Like, bro. So you can see, and here's this part collapses. See, now it's really wide, but now you can actually see it getting narrow right there. Look. Yeah, okay, so that's pretty cool. Moving on. Alright, now to go through the different modes of this flashlight. One, you have just this strong, bright beam. Have strobe. So you have Morse code. And then you have strong. I've mentioned these again because it goes in weird order. Weak, weaker. So yeah. Yeah, there we go. So, one more thing. You know this like a strobe setting? Like, yo, that is a mean strobe. Like this can temporarily blind you. Yeah, sorry for that long pause. It's turning the flashlight off. But anyway, I hate testing these things. Testing these. But anyway, let me find the strobe. No. Okay. Well, good news. I'm not jumping blind, but I'm totally seeing spots. So, not fun. But I need to, I go to a quick actor, so shoot, wrong button. Go to natural, shoot, but so I hope you enjoyed the review. I don't know if I mentioned this before. Probably did, but I don't remember. That was the Atomic Beam USA flashlight. I like the atomic lighter, which I want. But, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you know what the question was. I'll have to look through that again. I don't quite remember what it was. But, yes, please like this video, subscribe. See you next time. Because, I mean, it's random and it's awesome. It's random awesomeness.